How to disable predictive text on iPhone 12 keyboard. So if while typing and you noticed this text here, something like this, that shows in the inline, and I want to disable it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't have this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to disable predictive text on iPhone 12 keyboard, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and click on General. Under General, scroll down and click on Keyboard. Then here, under Keyboards, you want to scroll down until you get to Predictive Text. If the predictive text is green here, you need to disable it and turn it to gray. Then once you turn it to gray, this is going to disable inline prediction line. This, the show predictions inline will disabled once you disable predictive text. Then go ahead and disable that. And once you disable that, then the predictive text on your iPhone while typing will be disabled. See that? You see that? So that is basically how to disable predictive text on iPhone 12 keyboard. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.